I have recently added the delivery of color therapy known as chromotherapy session to my practice. A lot of you have been asking me questions about color therapy, so I decided to make a video. Color therapy is an alternative healing therapy for which there is evidence dating back thousands of years to the ancient cultures of Egypt, China, and India. Colors is simply light of varying wavelengths. Thus, each color has its own particular wavelength and energy. So, the energy relating to each of the 7 spectrum colors of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet resonates with the energy of each 7 chakra, or we can call them energy centers of the body. If you can imagine the chakras as a set of wheels, they are rather like the workings of a clock or an engine. Each wheel needs to move smoothly for the engine to work properly. Thus, good health and well-being is achieved by a balance of all these energies. Balance of the energies in each of the body's chakras is very important for health and for well-being. Color therapy can help to rebalance and or stimulate these energies by applying the appropriate color to the body and therefore rebalance our whole chakras. Red relates to the base of the chakra, orange the sacral chakra, the yellow is the solar plexus chakra, green is your heart chakra, blue is your throat chakra, and indigo violet or mauve is your third eye chakra, and white is your Sahasrara chakra, that's your crown chakra. Color is absorbed by the eye, skin, skull, or magnetic energy shield or field or aura, and the energy of color affects us on all levels. That is to say, physical, spiritual, and emotional. Every cell in the body needs light energy, thus color energy has widespread effects on the whole body. There are many different ways of giving color, including solarized water, light boxes, lamps with color filters, color silks, hands-on healing using colors. Color therapy can be shown to help on a physical level, which is perhaps easier to quantify. However, there are deeper issues around the colors on the psychological and spiritual levels. Our well-being is not, of course, purely a physical issue. Fortunately, many more practitioners, orthodox or alternative healing practitioners, are now treating patients in an holistic manner. That is to say, we are body, mind, and spirit, and none of these areas function entirely alone. Each has an effect upon the other. Thus, this is why color therapy can be so helpful, since colors addresses all levels of our being. All life experiences make an impression upon us. Some experiences will be positive and some will be negative. It is these negative experiences which can manifest them as physically over the time as disease. As an example, perhaps we have over the years been in a situation where we have felt unable, or for one reason or another reason, to speak our mind or to express our own truth. This can manifest as a problem in the throat chakra. The throat chakra relates in the spiritual aspect to self-expression, and thus if our throat chakra has been blocked, the energy of the area will not flow properly, and in turn this can lead to a physical manifestation of a disease. Noting strong color preferences can also be helpful, and to find possible problems and working with the appropriate color or colors to help to dispel negative feelings, free blocks, and rebalance the body emotionally, spiritually, and in turn physically. Color therapy is a total holistic and non-invasive therapy, and really color should be a part of our everyday life, not just something we experience for an hour or two with a therapist. Color is all around us, everywhere. This wonderful planet does not contain all the beautiful colors of the rainbow for no reason. So there is nothing random in the universe. Everything in nature is here for a purpose or for a reason. Color is no exception. All we need to do is to heighten our awareness of the energy of color and how it can transform our lives. A professional therapist will help you to do this. A capacity for health and well-being is within us all. Color therapy is safe to use alone or alongside any other therapy, whether orthodox medicine or another alternative therapy, and is safe and helpful for adults, children, and also animals. Aware of the uplifting healings and benefits of certain colors. The bright, clean, clear or pastel colors are uplifting to wear or use in home decor. Black, brown and gray are not. In countries in which people wear a lot of black, the skin is found to age more quickly. Color can profoundly affect the way we feel each day. In auric terms, gray is the color of fear, and certain shades of brown can indicate blockages or materialism, and black can indicate pain or ignorance and mental darkness. Many of us do use black for certain smart events, occasions, but it is a good idea to have a beautiful color next to your skin, as we will feel the benefit of this and feel more uplifted. Natural fibers are also best worn next to the skin if possible. I use my light box with colored lights to help people absorb some colors into their aura when perhaps they have experienced ill health or felt, tragically depleted in some way. Blue light can be very helpful for migraine or headaches, sufferings, and we can achieve this effect more cheaply or affordably by simply using a blue light bulb in the bedroom and turn off all other sources of light. Bathing in all this gentle light blue color can be very soothing for the head and your throat chakra and your neck. So often these parts of the body can become depleted if one rushed in busy lives, and if there are times that cause stress and anxiety. Each color has a meaning and a use for the body, and it can be very helpful to become aware of this. I shall be talking more about the topic and of different colors. We can use colors to uplift us by choosing bright or light colors which uplift, and we can use it thoughtfully in our decor at home too, and that will make a difference to how we feel. We can enjoy beautiful, colorful gardens and visit such places of beauty, and this will also have a very good effect on our health and well-being. Spending time in nature is always a good idea, as if it's our natural home and it can rejuvenate us. Please be aware that no alternative therapy should be considered as an alternative to professional medical advice where necessarily, and no properly qualified alternative healing therapist would suggest that. Neither would they suggest that you stop taking your medications, etc. If you are taking medications, you should consult your prescribing professional before you stop taking it.